Hi guys. So you're gonna type here Canva. You go to your Canva account and then click that and then search for the sample we're in. Oh, I did not sign up in this. My gosh. Hmm. Since I already have a a Canva account, so I'm just gonna scroll this just like that. And this is where I usually make my thumbnails, my resume, even wedding invitations. So just comment down below on what kind of thumbnail or logo or anything that you want me to do. And we're gonna have a video on that. All right, so this time I'm gonna be showing you how I did my ESL, what do you call this? CSL resume. So this is one example of my resume since I was a, no, I'm not, I was, but I am like applying for a content creator. So you're gonna have a space like that. This is just an example of how easy it is to use Canva for your resume. It looks great, it's amazing, and it's very visual. All right, so for the designs, you're gonna type in resume. All right, so it will bring you to these choices here. You can also create your blank resume if you want, but if I were you, I'm gonna choose lots and lots of designs of resume here. You can also personalize it according to your color, your taste, and what are the things that you want to put in. You can also be specific, like education. All right, resume for education. You can also like type in teacher or teaching resume. So there are lots and lots of examples here. There are many choices to choose from. If you can see like this, these are paid, but don't worry, there are also some free templates. So we're just gonna go for the free templates. And by the way, I'm using free Canva, guys. I don't have the subscription for this application. This is for pro. I mean, you're gonna have to pay those. And let's choose another free sample here. There will be still a lot of free samples. All right, this is already tailored to your profession. If you choose like the teacher kind of resume, it's already tailored for you. Let's see. Let's find out. Okay, so I think I want to go with this one. This looks kind of colorful, like if you are trying to apply or if you want to apply as teacher, being resourceful and colorful at the same time is a plus. Yes, you see that? Okay, you can apply like this, a teaching assistant. You can put your contacts there, or you can also erase that or put down your websites. Okay, so it's up to you. It's up to you on what kind of choices you want to make. Your profile, you're free to edit here. So it's very user friendly. Your employment history. course, you're gonna start from the latest, going down to the oldest employment history you have, personal skills, education, your attended seminars. I think this is more of a language skill here. And then of course your reference. You can also add in contact number perhaps if you want. So Canva is very friendly, user friendly. It's also innovative. You no longer have to think what are the things that you're gonna include in your resume. Or if you want, you can also have choices in here. Let's try this one. Add is a new page. All right. This one is for application for strategic planner. And let's try this one also. This, I think that's a business analyst. All right, let's go back to the choices. Mm, teacher. We can also have this one. Sometimes they're only the paid one. It's not totally paid, but you can just, upcycle other designs. Just look at, okay, I think this is paid because of this picture. Whenever you see a picture like this that has, the watermark there, that's paid. So if I were you, just remove that picture. Mm, just remove the picture, I guess. Delete. All right. And replace it with your picture. Okay, for example, my picture here. You can just drag it out and make it smaller, or you can put it in a circle type of frame. You can also look for some frames here. Where is it? Elements. All right. You can look for frames like this one and then put it there inside the frame, and then you can just drag it. All right, see, it's convenient and it only takes up a little bit of your time, so you don't need to have an anxiety whether your resume is complete or not. So let's try and edit. All right, this is my YouTube channel, guys. You have to put your full name in your resume. Okay, so if you're, for example, applying as an ESL online teacher, you can just easily replace that. Okay, let's go to your personal profile. All right, so of course you have to edit those one, like how passionate of a teacher are you and what are the subjects that you've been teaching, main skills, of course, highlight your language skills in English, contact information. I think this one for me should be followed on top here, but it's up to you. Like I said, you can just edit the resume the way you want it to. Okay, your teaching experience, of course, if you're applying as an online English teacher, you have to put here the name of the company and the year that you have been working with them, academic background, if you're postgraduate or a graduate student or you have master's degree, you can put that there. And don't forget to make your resume as simple as you want it. So since I tried paid and I click here and there's no XX or watermark of Canva, so I think it is so safe to download. Okay, you can also rename this one. Like you can say here, ESL resume. Then you can download it, PDF. Oh, there are some premium packages here. So that's 5 times. That's a total of 250. Since we're using a free non-subscribed account, it's okay to download that if it has XX watermarks. If you're fine with it, then you can just download a free watermarked draft. Okay, I think we're done. So if you have a printer, you can print it here, or um you can also let them print it for you. So that is how our resume looks like, easy peasy. And then have to, okay, show it in folder so that you will know where to look for your downloads. So it's here in the download section. All right, so you have to open it like that and check it out for yourself if it suits your taste or not. So it's up to you guys. All right, so we're here and we're almost done with our presentation. All right. Oh, so you're there. You see, you did not pay for any of those dots, but since the watermarks are not clear, then you're good to go. All right, so I hope I explained to you in detail what are the things that you will be needing when you're gonna make your resume with Canva. So I suggest you use Canva, guys, because it's easier to manage and it gives you a lot of choices, a lot of designs. You can also change these colors if you want. All right, so let's go back there. I almost forgot. You can also change those colors, like turn it into pink or something. Make your resume more funkier, more attractive. So, okay, it's up to you. All right, so I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and comment down below if what do you want me to make next time. And see you on the next video, guys. Bye. Okay.